Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use carding application to sell gift card. Go to your Apple Store or Play Store and download this application called Carding. Immediately you download it, open it, and it's going to look exactly like this. You can see it. So click any option down here. You can click any option down here and it's going to look like this. And when you look down, you will see sign up. Click on sign up for you to register your own account. Email, phone number, you choose the one you want to use to register. Do you understand right now? The next thing is to click on country. Choose Nigeria. You can see a space for your email. Enter your Gmail. Put your Gmail here. And if it is phone number, there will be a space to put your phone number as well. Then you can see verification code. Leave it first and jump to where it says password. Write your password like this. Let's say Godwin for example. Your password must start with capital letter and any symbol at the back. Any symbol. Do you understand right now? Then you can see confirm your password. Repeat your password here. And invitation code. Use this invitation code to register. Because when you use this invitation code to register, you are going to get a welcome bonus of 3,000 naira and they are going to reward me as well. But if you didn't use this invitation code, you will not get any welcome bonus and they will not reward me. So I will say you should please and use it. Do you understand right now? So both of us can get a reward. Do you understand? After that, you go back to where it says verification code and you can see at the front of it, you can see send. Tap on that send. Immediately you tap on it, you will receive a code on your Gmail or your phone number, depending on which one you use to register. Do you understand right now? Put that code here. After that, click on sign up and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now I'm going to log in and show you how to sell your gift card and how you withdraw your money to your bank accounts. Now let me log in and we continue, guys. Now I have logged in and this is my own account right now. Do you understand right now? Now to sell your gift card, this is what you are going to do. When you look down here, you can see home, sell, and transaction. Click on sell. Do you understand right now? And you can see category after the settlement amount. Category, click on category. Then choose the gift card you want to sell. Do you understand? When you scroll down, you see everything you can see. Now let's use Apple as an example. We're going to choose Apple. Choose the country of your gift card. You click on it and you scroll until you see the country of your gift card. I'm going to click on US as an example. Do you understand? And you can see balance. Enter the card balance. Click on it and write the amount. My gift card is $100 for example, and I'm going to click on physical. You can see type. We have physical card and e-code. Physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store, while e-code is a gift card someone purchased online. So they will send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is e-code. Do you understand right now? So choose the one you have. And the next thing is speed. Leave it as fast. And you can see code. That is your gift card code. Write your gift card code here and click on save, or you click on upload image. You can see upload from gallery. When you click on the upload from gallery, it will take you to your phone gallery. Then you can select the image of your gift card for example, and you click on, let's say for example, and you click on done, and it will be, you can see it will be uploaded. The next thing is, let's say your gift card is 2. Let's say for example it is $50 each and it is total 100. Do you understand? You will just write the total here and upload the 2 cards. You do understand right now? So after that you click on sell and immediately you click on sell. In a few seconds it will say success, and when you check your balance, this amount will be available on your balance. Now to withdraw your money, you can see up here, you can see beside my name Godwin, you can see this 3 line. Click on it, and when you click on it, to show you this option, click on wallet. When you click on wallet, you can see add bank card. Click on add bank card, select the bank you are using, write the name of your bank, then write the account number and your login password. I mean the password of this application. You write it and you click on submit and your bank account will be added successfully. The next thing you can see down here, you can see withdraw. When you click on withdraw, you write the amount you want to withdraw and you click on confirm to withdraw, and your money will deliver to your bank account. Do you understand right now? So if you have any question, write in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you as well. Like this video and also share it. You understand? So it can reach more audience. One love, guys.